Good morning, Kippsters. This is Mr. Adams, and it is time for a phonics lesson of the week. Now, in today's class, we're going to go over drilling our sounds with our sound cards, and we're going to do some wordplay. So, I wrote a sentence, but I need help. I need to know if I wrote it correctly. So, you're going to read the sentence for me, and then we're going to go back through it and see if it was done right. Okay? Sounds good? Sounds great. And then last, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tap out a word, and you are going to guess what that word is. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, let's get started. So let's go ahead, close our eyes. I'm going to stretch my neck to the right side. Go ahead and take in a breath. Breathe out through the nose. That's good. Go ahead and stretch out to the next to the right side. Oh, that's to the left side. To the left side. Into the nose. Out through the mouth. Good job. We're going to do it one more time. We're going to stretch our necks to the right side. And breathe in through our nose. And out through our mouth. Last time on the left side. And breathe in through our nose. And out through our mouth. Awesome, guys. That was good. And if you want to, go ahead, check it out, check it out, check it out. I'm going to stretch my neck out a little bit more. It's time to get started. That's first, let's go through our cards. But remember, when I say echo after me, echo after you. Oh, there we go. F, fun, f. R, rat, r. J, jug, j. G, game, g. B, bat, b. U, up, W, wind, w. E, add, eh. N, nut, n. D, dog, d. M, man, m. C, cat, k. Z, zebra, z. L, lamp, w. V, van, v. H, hat, h. T, top, t. X, fox, x. O, octopus, ah. Good job, guys. S, snake, s. P, pan, p. Q, queen, qu. Q is always followed by you. Q is always followed by you. A, apple, ah. I, itch, I. K, kite, k. Forgot one. Y, yellow, yeah. Good job, guys. Let's go ahead and kiss that brain. Now, I am going to point to the letter. There we go. I'm going to point to the letter, and you're going to tell me what that letter is. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, U, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job, guys. All right, now I was going to go ahead. I'm going to point to the letters this time. You're going to tell me the sounds. Got it? All right. Ready? A, B, D, E, G, I, J, L, M, N, A, P, Q, R, S, T, V, R, X, Y, Z. Good job, guys. Good job. All right, let's keep it moving. So I wrote 2 sentences, and I need your help. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to show you the 2 sentences that I wrote. Then you are going to read the sentences all on your own. Now remember, make sure we're tapping out the sounds and not tapping the letters, okay? All right. Our first sentence, so here we go. First, we're going to read the first sentence. Can you get that a little bit closer? All righty, good job. So let's see. Now, I know that I begin a sentence with a capital letter. So here's the beginning of my sentence. Do I have a capital letter? Yes, I do have a capital letter. All right, I did a good job on that one. Okay, next. When we write our words, when we write a sentence, we need to make sure that we have our finger spaces. Did Mr. Adams put his finger spaces? Yes, Mr. Adams did put in his finger spaces. There we go. There's a finger space between each word. Alrighty, let's look at the next thing. Did Mr. Adams make sure that he had a punctuation at the end of his sentence? Let's take a look. Yeah, Mr. Adams does have a punctuation at the end of his sentence. This punctuation is called a period. And a period tells us that the sentence is telling something. So I said in a sentence, Rob sat in the sun. 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 Very good. Alrighty. So I'm telling somebody, or I'm telling you guys that Rob sat in the sun. All right, let's go ahead and go to our next sentence. All right, get nice and close for you guys to see. And I want you to read and tap out the sentence all on your own. All righty, and you know what? So that some of my friends are not confused, let's make sure. Silly Mr. Adams, I rubbed off my letter E a bit. There we go. Much, much better. All right. Let's see what we wrote. All right, double check it again. Mr. Adams had capital letter for the beginning of a sentence, and our capital letter was the W for the word we. We. Mr. Adams had his finger spaces in between each word. Yep. See, there's my finger spaces. Showing you guys again. Between each word. And there's that punctuation. Who remembers? What does that punctuation tell us? That's correct. This punctuation tells us that it's telling us something. Who remembers the name of that punctuation? Yes, that's right. This punctuation is the period. It's the same punctuation that we used in the last sentence. Good job, guys. Way to remember that. Now let's go ahead and read the sentence together. We sat on the rug in the sun. We sat on the rug in the sun. Awesome stuff. So I was telling you guys, because my punctuation is a period, that we, or me, somebody and I, sat on the rug in the sun. You guys are such amazing, amazing Kippsters. We're continually growing your brain, and it is beautiful. Alrighty, now it's time for us to go ahead and tap out those words. So I'm going to say the sound. You're going to tap it out, and you're going to tell me what the word is. Got it? The first word. R, A, B. R, A, B. Think. R, A, B. What's the first sound, the beginning sound, and then the ending sound? You know what it is? That's right. The first sound is R. And what makes the R? R. Let's go and find R. Can you find it? There we go. Yep. R. R. R makes the R sound. R. R. Hope we're writing this down. R. A, B. R, A, B. What makes the ah sound? What makes the ah sound? I know you know. That's right. O. O makes the ah sound. O makes the ah sound. R, ah, r, ah. R, ah, b. R, ah, b. What makes the b sound? B. R, ah, b. That's right. The B. The B makes the B sound. Good job, guys. So it's R, A, B. Now let's go ahead and blend it all together. R, A, B. rob, 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 rob. Good job, Kippsters. The first word that we just made sure we knew all the letters that made the sounds and we blended it out was the word rob. Alrighty, next one. At, 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 Think you know what it is? Yeah, you do. That first letter is S. S. Good job. What letter makes that sound? Yeah? That's right. A makes the sound. Let's see. The beginning sound was S. The middle or medial sound was ah. What's that last sound? T, s, t. Yeah? Huh. That's right. Good job. T makes the t sound. S, t, s, t. Let's go ahead and put that together. Sat, 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 sat. The word that we just tapped out was sat. All right, guys, I've got one more word for us to tap out. Ready? R, g. I wonder if you guys can get it. R, g. R, g. Now, what makes the R sound? What letter makes the R sound? Think, think, think. Yeah? That's right. Whew. Man, you guys are so smart. R. R makes the R sound. R, R. Now what? R, g. R, g. What letter makes the middle sound? R, That's right. U makes the sound. Sound. R, What's that last sound? Think, think, think. Got it? That's right. G. G makes the g sound. R, g. R, g. Oh my gosh. You guys are so smart. R, g. R, g. You guys did an excellent job on tapping those words out. Alrighty, that is the end of our class for today. Remember, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye, Kippsters.